Cash of 300,000 naira is up for grabs for 3 contestants in the ongoing Figures of Speech challenge. This challenge will test your ability to use up to 5 figures of speech in a single sentence. To participate in the challenge, make a correct sentence that contains 5 figures of speech in a video that is less than a minute long. The 5 figures of speech to be captured in your sentence must be the ones contained in our tutorial on Exam Guide YouTube channel. The topic of the tutorial is figures of speech. The video link is displayed on your screen and in the description. An example of a sentence containing the 5 figures of speech is also provided in the lesson. Upload the video on your Instagram page with #ExamGuideChallenge, #Figures of Speech Challenge. Also, follow our page and tag at examguide_official. Note that you're to type out the wordings of your sentence as the video description when posting it. Top 10 videos with the best presentation will be reposted on our page at examguide_official for voting on the 13th February 2023. Voting will close on the 27th February 2023. First, second and third with the highest post engagement on our page will be awarded the sum of 150,000, 100,000 and 50,000 naira respectively. For more information, visit www.examguide.com/challenge.